Hey, what's going on, guys? WukongJS here. I really wasn't going to make this video, but I just got an email a few hours ago from a guy who's been watching my videos apparently, and he was trying to integrate my WukongJS chess engine with chessboard.js chessboard library, basically, which is quite pretty famous. So I decided to make this little proof of concept integration tutorial. This little proof of this little tutorial showcasing the proof of concept of how to integrate my WukongJS chess engine with this chessboardjs GUI library. So I will be heavily reusing the code I've written before, even though I didn't really prepare for this kind of live stream. But it's a little bit time consuming to remember and to write from scratch the GUI, the JavaScript code to actually handle the user input for this chessboard.js. So I would like to reuse. Well, at the very least, I'll try to reuse the code that I've created once with my UCI GUI project. So I just have a C engine, which is called BBC, Bitword Chess Engine, which is running on the remote server on pythonanywhere.com, and it uses chessboard.js to play against, basically. So I will reuse the code for this UI. I will remove all of this bells and whistles, so just leave the bare board, nothing much. So this again, like, it's not a full-blown one, it's just a proof of concept tutorial. So I think, well, maybe only these boards would remain, nothing much really. So I think I really hope this is gonna be quite pretty interesting, useful, and instructive. So without further ado, let's actually start coding. So okay, so I'll start. I'll create a new folder within my WukongJS just to make it easier for you guys to reuse the source code in future. So here, let's call it integration. Let's make it like this. So we'll need the code for WukongJS, copy, integration, paste. Okay. I would also like to, well, probably it's easier just to fork my UCI GUI, so let me quickly do this. So git clone https github.com UCI GUI. I guess that's the name. I really hope that's the name. Yeah, it should be the name for a project. So yeah, this should work, hopefully. So source static JavaScript. So I'll need this one, chessboard.js, which is actually the minified version of this library that we have here, chessboard.js. Okay, so what else? What else do we need? Images, chess pieces. Hold on a sec. Is this? This seems a little bit strange. Does it? Is this used by chessboard.js? Well, probably. Okay. Okay. Copy. We'll probably need to alter the path. I don't really remember. I'm sorry, it disappeared somewhere. I don't really remember how this stuff is done. This was really a long time ago. Okay. Also, we need this chessboard CSS style sheet. Okay. And jQuery would be connected dynamically via the CDN, I believe. Okay. So templates, BBC HTML. Let's make use of this one, and let's rename it and call it chess. Let's call it Wukong plus chessboardjs. Okay. Yeah, I think is plus okay. Let's better call it like with the underscore. Okay, so I want to open it locally, and I also want to run it. Okay, so now there would be tons of errors, and let's go and resolve them all. Okay, so chess.js, we don't need that. Okay, so let's start. So we want to say WukongJS plus chessboardjs. Okay, five icon, not gonna be using that. Okay, jQuery CDN, Bootstrap CDN. Okay, so not static. So chess.js, I'm not gonna be using this library. Okay, static CSS chessboard. So this would be altered like so. Script. This would be altered like so. Still a little bit confused regarding the path to. Probably I'll need to alter this with the source code. Yeah, I think that's the case. Okay, so let's see what we have. Logo PNG. Yeah, I'll just get rid of that. Chess is not defined. Okay. So let's just remove the unnecessary stuff from the GUI. Okay, strength control. We don't need the strength control. Okay. Buttons might be on the card still. I'll just rename them to make, to new, move, undo, and flip to make them look like this. Okay. Can I make, yeah, this seems to be a bit better. Okay, what else? Set FEN. I don't want to set the FEN. Doesn't still print the board, but that's not a big deal. Okay. Engine info. So yeah, I want to get rid of all of this stuff entirely. And the PGN. Okay. So let's count the div tags. So we have 1, 2. We have 1, 2. Well, seems to be just fine. Okay, let's get rid of this. All this stuff below. Okay, yeah, now it's much better. And ID chessboard. Can we just make it line center? I'm just really wondering. Is this gonna work? Nope. Well, maybe here. It's not really essential, but just wondering. Come on. Okay. Game status. We don't need the game status. I want just the board. I don't want it to keep track of analytics. Okay. just a bit confused why they are not on within the center. It's a little bit confusing. But hold on a sec. Can I go for this hack? Nope. Sorry guys, just sorry for this shit I'm doing now, but oh, hold on a sec. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can 1, 2, 3, div. Okay. Card body. Okay. I'm really wondering. This probably should be like this, right? Okay, now it gets centered. But it didn't even do much for this. But anyway, it's really what is intended to be. Okay, so now let's try to make the chessboard be alive. So let's see what kind of errors we have. Chess is not defined. 195. Okay. I feel a little bit confused, like how did I... Well, the problem with the chessboardjs is that it doesn't know anything about the game states and just don't really remember. So here I was using a move. Oh, hold on a sec. This is the callback function. So this is kind of engine make computer move. Okay. So we need only this then, and we don't need all of this stuff. Okay, so for now we'll only give this, well, even command this as well for a while. So chessjs, where new chess. Okay, so board equals to null. This is interesting. Oh, probably just a placeholder. Okay, so we don't need this game. We don't have any stats. Save. Okay, drag and drop. Okay. So just comment out all of this. Thanks for a while. Okay, here I extract the moves. Okay, here it is. Okay, snap back, make move, update status, move color. Okay. So this won't work. All this stuff won't work, and I don't need this stuff. So the idea is that in order to make the GUI recognize the state of the game, which was the matter of GUI in this UCI GUI implementation I did before, I used the chess.js library along with the chessboardjs. So now I'm trying to get rid of the code of chess.js. Okay, chessboard configuration. Okay, so this is the configuration. Now we're creating the board. Finally, yeah, by the way, can I make it like this, and we just don't really need to okay, so board, okay, chessboard. So this is the name of the div. Should be let's make it camel case JavaScript style, but it's not essential really. Let's make it chessboard like this. Okay, chessboard. Okay, so what must be ID or done? Okay, so did I miss something? Chessboard, save. So what's wrong? Did I? Oh, yeah, sorry. Okay, good. So at very least now we have the board. So it looks where static images chess pieces. So I need to get rid of this sort of a stuff within the chess.min.js. Static. Where is that? Okay, here is the path. So just get rid of this unnecessary stuff. It's a one string file and so laggy. Okay, save. And now this should be printing. Oh, probably I need to get rid of one more slash. Yeah, I'm sorry. I need to get rid of one more slash. Now this should work. Okay, perfect. Game is not defined. 209. 209. Yeah, so okay, so it seems like we've just managed to connect the board, so it should be working. Nope, game is not defined. So on drag and drop there is something going on. Okay, hold on a sec, just one more time. So on drop. Okay, on drop. Okay, so on drop. Make move. Update status. So update status, nothing there. So is there something in make move still? Oh, game reset. This is it. This is the issue. So game undo. Well, this is on take back click. It's also not an option. Save. Yeah, now at very least it should be capable of moving pieces. Nope. 109.8 182 1 Okay, on drop game move. Yeah, it was. I was initializing. I was initializing the move here, so this would be done a little bit different to integrate with the WukongJS. Game 197. Okay. Okay, finally we can move pieces. Well, this board is dumb. It doesn't know anything about the game, the state of the game. So, but at very least we now can move pieces. So, okay, guys. So now it seems like we've just established the board, and from now on we would be trying to integrate the engine. So jQuery chessboard. I don't know where is the best place. Well, let's try to import it here. So WukongJS chess engine here, and I want to say script source equals to WukongJS and script. And if I did everything correctly, no, not yet. We also need to create the engine instance. So let's make it somewhere. Well, the code is slightly bit messy. I don't even know. So what functions we have? Make move. Okay, let's just try to clean up things a little bit. So here we have the user input handlers, so we'll specify those at the moment, and here we have the functions. Okay. So just want to say user input handlers. Okay. Okay, and here. Okay, download button. We don't need this download button, right? We don't need this. And here, let's say user control functions. Okay. Okay, good. So and also I want to provide the main drivers, so just to make the code a little bit more clear. So main driver, okay, prevents crawling on touch devices. I've added this later on, so now we just drop this. But well, okay, actually this is a useful snippet that doesn't rely on anything, so I think that can be done there. Okay, initially we want to update the status. Okay, can I just hold on a sec? Let's say update status, like update board, control H. I just want to call it update board. It's more logical way of calling this stuff. Okay, update board. Okay. Okay, so let's make sure that anything didn't crash yet, so we can move pieces. Okay, So what's next? What is the next step? Okay, so mm, mm, console log. Let's make it user move and move would be, so I need the user source, user target, and make move. I have nothing there, right? Oh my god, if I could only remember how did this in the GUI from WukongJS. Well, probably, well, I can actually reference, right? No, not here. Sorry, not here. WukongHTML. Not even here, right? Yeah. Should be play jazz. It should be here. Drop piece. So this is something similar. Okay, square. User target. Hold on a sec. I just source and target. So it gives both. Well, this is interesting. Oh, okay, let's just, can you just print them, source and target? Just really, I'm really tempted to know what it would be printing. E2, E4, whoa, whoa, whoa. E7, E5, whoa. Does it come from chessboardjs? I'm just wondering. And how did I handle the promotion? How did I handle the promotion? UCI. Okay, move. Hold on a sec, but how did I use this move? Make move. Well, okay, hold on a sec. I'm just wondering. So it doesn't print anything regarding the promoted piece. We really need some special cases to handle the promotions. I don't really want to get bothered with this now, to be honest. Because this is the proof of concept. This is not a full-blown stuff. I wouldn't be using chessboardjs for my own projects, to be honest. It's cool, but I don't know. I really prefer my own GUIs. Well, the problem is that if I do not specify the promoted piece, that the promotion moves won't be possible. It won't be possible to promote the piece to queen. It would be treated as an illegal move. That's the issue. That's the main issue. So on drop. Oh, game move. Okay, so I did make a move. Oh, hold on a sec. I had something similar. So if make move, did I have make move piece? Oh, damn, it's within the engine. Oh, but okay. On drop, nope. Drop piece. Okay, this is how I done it. Move piece and promoted piece was set to queen only, right? And okay. So I just want to check the behavior of this promoted piece. Let's don't make this stuff for a while. Okay. Engine is not defined. Hold on a sec. Okay, so yeah, I definitely need to define the engine. So create WukongJS engine instance. So this would be const engine equals to new engine, like this. Should be working now. What? Oh man, my engine relies in this position. It relies on. Okay, it's just easier to get rid of the GUI functions completely. GUI. Just to get rid of this stuff completely. Okay. Select color. Where do you use the select color? Later on in my Wukong CNC engine, I got rid of. I've separated the GUI and the engine completely to avoid this sort of a disaster. But in Wukong, okay, so promoted piece is still on the cards. Just need to find a proper way. Oh, okay, so probably I just can convert these squares to. Can I convert square to string? Yeah. I just convert them to the square to string. I think that would be enough. Okay, so drop. So here, yeah, we can like kind of like handling the drag and drop events related to the chessboard.js. This is all taken from the docs. of chessboard, or from examples of chessboard.js. Okay, so I need to say engine dot how would that call square to string. Nope, I want, on the contrary, I want the square to string. Man, how can I make it? Hold on a sec. I can use this one. No, I can't use this one. Or I can use this one. Promote it to string. Is that still gonna be working? I'm just wondering. It's a little bit weird, but yeah, it prints the queen all the time. Okay, if only that would be enough to. If only that would be enough. So source plus target plus engine promoted piece to string. I'm really tempted to know if this is gonna be working or not. So the move format would look a little bit weird every time we would be having this promoted piece, but this should get parsed. And I'm not going to be using this validate move, but instead I can use the load moves function. I can use the load moves, this one. So yeah, but in this case, hold on a sec. Yeah, but load moves does validate. It does validate. So hold on a sec. Load moves. It does validate, but what does it return? It doesn't return anything, right? And it also makes the move as well. Well, maybe we can alter the code here. So valid move. So let's say if valid move equals to 0, return 0, and otherwise, so here return illegal move, and here return 1, return legal move. Okay, and if we now say but on the other hand, this doesn't really make sense. Nope, this doesn't make sense. Do I have a mechanism to convert square to square code? Square to code. I guess I don't have that. That's a little bit of a pain, to be honest. I don't really like doing this things in a fast way. I don't really like this stuff. Oh, damn. What? Okay. So oh no, I can't do this. Oh damn. Why is this getting so complicated? I wanted to map the square strings to square codes, but I wanted to automatically create that, but that didn't work nicely. So it's just too long. I don't really want to spend time doing that. So maybe I should sacrifice the move validation in this case. But how? Hold on a sec. How this works? Return snapback. Hold on a sec. Move equals to null. Is this gonna be not making moves? Okay, hold on a sec. In this case, if I just redo, and I can say if engine dot load moves, and the move would be equal to 0. In this case, I want to snap back, otherwise that should be done on board. So I won't see now the internal part. User time is not defined. Are you kidding me? Oh, okay. Load moves. So I need to get rid of this piece of code, right? Yeah, again. Okay, and also I want to say engine.print board, just to make sure that they are getting synchronized. Okay, yes, so what? Oh, this is a legal move. Okay, so, but hold on a sec. Hold on a sec. This changed the side to black. Okay, so if I make the legal moves, it updates the internal board as well, perfectly well. But if I do so yeah, hold on a sec. This is an issue as well. How do I? Oh, no, let's do this a little bit. No, how can I? As far as this is actually, this seems to be like the only move. And this routine, well, the idea is that I was using this routine for UCI purposes when playing with, when dealing with third-party GUIs like Arena GUI. I just don't really want to break this behavior, but I don't know really how to move string. Hold on a sec, move from string. Hold on a sec, move from string. Move from string, do I have that? Move from string. Oh, then why the heck am I doing this crap? Okay, I don't need this. I can just say engine move from string. Okay. Let move. Encoded move engine. Oh, let's call it legal move. Let's call it valid move. Okay, and if valid move. Okay. Okay, why nothing happens? Engine dot print board. Okay, so excuse me. Yeah, I just didn't make it on board, so this is fine. So here we can say engine dot make move and valid move. I'll add another validation just right in the moment. Make move. Are you kidding me? What do you mean engine make move is not a function? Don't I have this in this version? This is impossible. Can't believe it. Fantastic. Okay. I already have that in my Wukong CNC engine. Which plays Chinese chess. Okay, so this is a bit weird, to be honest. Do I have generate legal moves at very list? Yeah, it seems like. So make move function make move save. Okay, yeah, and now if I do like, oh, whoa, so this has been done already. Okay, I also need to okay, yeah, this is the issue. So this is the pseudo legal move, but it's not generated within. So hold on a sec, I need another verification here. So well, probably I don't even need this one. Well, I can actually. Okay, so let's say let legal moves equals engine dot generate legal moves and let's say console.log this legal moves, just to see what we got there. I just don't really remember the format. Typo. Okay, so move. So let's say for let count equals 0, count is less than legal moves dot length count plus plus, and let is legal. Valid and legal are different, so valid means like pseudo-legal, but exposes the king into check, and legal is actually if that is possible to make it on board. So legal equals to, let's say, 0. Here we say if is legal equals to 0, then we return this snapback. Okay. And here, so let move. Well, let's say, so if if valid move is equal to legal moves indexed by the count, then we set is legal equals to true. Okay, equals to 1, sorry. Okay, I'm not sure, but okay, I did something horribly wrong apparently. Oh, okay, not like that, I'm sorry. Dot move, obviously. Okay. Okay. So this is illegal now, you see, because the king has been exposed into a check. All these moves are illegal, but we can step aside. Okay, so I hope this is clear. I hope this is just fine. Okay, so this seems to be working now, which is very nice. Okay, so we don't need to console log this legal moves anymore. Okay, so this would be invalid move, and this would be illegal move. Otherwise, we make move on a board and we move further on. Okay, guys, so now it seems like we do only the valid moves on the board, so we can make it twice like this. Okay, it seems to be just fine. It seems to be just kind of fine. So what should be done next? I'm just wondering. Yeah, now make computer move. So make computer move. Okay. Okay. Again, so drop, make computer move, and update the board. And what do we do on update the board? So let's I think it would be better to call it like is game over or game status. Control H. Is game over. I think this would be a better thing. 1, 2, 3 occurrences. Is game over here. And we don't really need to call it initially, right? Okay, so make engine move. So console log. So here, let's say engine moves, and before this, let's say engine.print board. Oh, what have I done? And let's get rid of, okay, already got rid of. Bring board in on drop. Okay, so here we should have the engine move being made on a chessboard. Okay, so I've created a new function like search time, so we can just put the milliseconds. It's way more flexible than doing this by hands. So it's a bit of a high-level API call here. So let's just say engine dot search time 1 second. Here I say search for 1 second, and for now, well, let's first say let's print the board after the engine has moved. Okay. So engine searches, but it doesn't make the move. Okay, so does it return? I think I should do it like return engine search. Yes. Here, actually we need to make it on board. So let best move equals to, and here engine dot make move and best move. If I did everything correctly, the engine should now be able to make a response. Okay, so he made the response with the knight. Perfect, just perfect. So now we the only thing we need is to update the board in the GUI. So this would have been done by generating the FVN from the board. So let FVN equals to engine.generate FVN. So this is the new function that I've created today. It's now very robust. It doesn't even care about the castling rights and in peasant square, and I'm not even talking about the half move rule counter and 50 rule move counter and total game counter moves. But it doesn't really matter because chessboardjs only parses FVN string. So let's print the FVN. Console.log. That's a little bit of an issue of this chessboardjs. So chessboardjs would parse this FVN string only until here. Okay, so it won't be parsing any further. And yeah, so that's how I made this FVN being generated by the engine at the moment. So this is literally enough for chessboardjs. So everything that goes further on, like it could be like king queen, like e3 in peasant square, like 50 move rule counter, like I don't know, like full move counter games, but we don't really need this. So this FVN string generated by the engine should be literally enough to update the board. So here it should be enough to say board position FEN. And if I did everything correctly, now I should be capable of playing chess. Okay, this damn issues with it looks so weird. It does. Okay, so it does the stuff, but well, this animation is so horrible. What can I do? What can I do to this? I don't even know what I can do. Set timeout maybe. Well, that might be the case. Okay, so I don't want to print the board now. Neither here. Well, sometimes it helps. I don't know. Let's try this here. So set timeout. And we have the function. So something like 100 milliseconds should be enough. I'm not sure, guys, whether this works. It did work for me with my own GUI. Missing. Are you kidding me? Oh, okay, perfect. Oh, okay. Oh my god, how I love this now. Okay. Now we can play chess. Oh my god, we can play chess. Can you believe this? So cool. Well, oh damn. Well, this castling behavior is a little bit not that great, really. It's a little bit weird. Whoa, new game is working. Yeah, but it won't be making those because I didn't really update the engine yet. Okay. Okay, so at least we do have something at the moment. So everything apart castle and move seems to be did I handle the castling in some specific way? So I don't need this stuff here really. So probably I don't even need this function at all. But what? Guess we don't really need that. Why do we need that? So the engine is calculating, this is good. Why does it print the board? Do I print the board somewhere? Oh, okay, so I do print the board here. Well, I could have actually... So here we make user move, save, and here we make computer move. And we can actually we don't really need to make it separate. Okay, just give this function for a while. Is game over? Okay. Update the board after piece snap. Oh, maybe this stuff gives me the issue. I'm not sure. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is a little bit okay. I just want to see when this event fires. Whoa. Fires every time. This is a bit strange. Oh, I guess I just... So it means like... Hold on a sec, I'm starting to get this. It updates the FEN. Only after. So hold on a sec. I just try to make a little trick. Can I? Is this gonna solve the issue? I'm just wondering, really. Not absolutely. Yeah, it's a bit of a not that great, really. Just never dealt with this before. No, so this doubled animation is not really great. Okay, if I do this, if I do this here, it's gonna work. I'm sorry for my trial and error method, guys. I mean, really, it's kind of like just happens like it just started moving the rook. Did you see that it started moving the rook? Let's try to castle opposite direction. It starts moving the rook, but then something happens. Can I get the move castling flag? And also promotion as well. Why doesn't it work for me? I'm just wondering. Okay, why doesn't work for me? So I guess I don't really need to. Hold on a sec. If I don't do the legal move, well, so it's not even draggable. Okay. On snap back end. Okay, so here it doesn't work. Okay. Neither here. Okay. So the FEN is updated. Well, I could have do it manually. Well, maybe. I'm wondering what's gonna be what's gonna happen on promotion as well. Okay, all the legal moves. So here they update the status, and on snapback, on snap end, game FEN. Hold on a sec. On snap end, so this comes from the engine, right? On snap end. So we're updating the FEN every time. Doesn't work. Okay, if I just print board here, so let's say console.log on snap end engine.print board. I just want to see if the FEN actually gets updated on the engine part. Okay. So yeah, on snap end, we already have this being updated. So why doesn't work in that case? This is weird. Weird stuff, really. Yeah, on snap end, we already have the castling. Well, this should done the trick. Okay, if I just try to make the delay, maybe there is a conflict. Okay, so it was the matter of, okay, so let's make it 200 and see if, so it was just interrupted by the set timeout to make the engine playing the move. I guess that was the trick. So, okay, not enough yet. I know this is not the best ever solution, but oh, that's because of the animation. Yeah, animation takes time, but within this 300 milliseconds, it really seems to be working. So let's test this again. Okay. Well, it seems to be quite pretty stable at the moment, so it's kind of like takes a little longer, but I guess this is just fine. Okay, I think that we can satisfy. Well, as far as this is the live coding tutorial, so I think this might be just good enough, really. Okay, guys. So I think. Yeah, I think this is really enough at the moment. I think this is really enough. So what else do we need to implement here? What else do we need to implement? So I don't need this stuff anymore. Okay. So this function is about to be done still. Okay, so let's get done with a new game. And so on. So new game reset. So here we need to say let's say reset engine. So we say engine dot setboard engine dot start fen. This should be enough. Really hope so. And start a new game, and I should be able to make move and have response. Perfect. Just absolutely fantastic. Okay. Okay, now for take back, I can simply say engine dot take back, or yeah, take back. That should be the name. And here, let's say engine dot generate fen. By the way, yeah, I can use this shortcut here as well on snap and I don't need this stuff anymore. This should be working. Okay, let's have a look. So undo. Okay. So, well, let's say I blunder. Okay, let's say I blunder. Undo, and let's say I don't blunder here. Okay. By the way, yeah, I just want to see if it mates me. So what happens when he mates? Okay, he should mate. Okay, at very least now I can't do any legal moves, right? So this seems to be really nice. So I think the very basic handling for at very least a mate. I'm not going to be implementing a draw. Yeah, that's just too much for this live coding session. But at very least, well, actually, even now, if you get mated, if you mate or get mated, it's actually enough even like this. But you can still undo the move and get mated again. You can undo the move and can protect, let's say, and in this case, game is going on. Yeah, so I think this is really enough for the proof of concept. So yeah, you still can actually keep track of the, if this is the mate, like just to save no legal moves also. Well, that's completely different story. So I really think that this is already enough to, let's centralize the board a little bit. Margin top, let's say 5. Okay, I think this should be enough, really. This really should be enough. And here, I don't really want to use these cards. Okay. Margin top 5. Okay. It's not the most perfect ever, but it's more or less, seemingly more or less just fine. Okay, so as far as we can mate already, yeah, this is good. So undo the move. I don't have the red to redo the move. Oh, that's okay. So do castling here. It takes okay. Yeah, let's say undo the move. Here, engine makes another move. Well, seems to be working. Seems to be working quite pretty nicely. Okay, so move. Now move. Move doesn't work. Okay. So we'll connect the two buttons left, and fortunately, hopefully, we'll end up this video tutorial series on how to integrate the bare minimum integration of ChessboardJS with WukongJS. We'll just drop it there. Okay, so move. Where is that? So make move. Oh, yeah. So this is why I wanted to have this make move function, because I really wanted to make the computer move. Okay, that's a little bit of a pain, but make move, make computer move, Control X, make computer move. Let's say make engine move. So make move, and I'll put it here. So make move, engine move, function make move. Okay. And if I did everything correctly, it now should be capable of making computer moves. Okay. So the very last thing left. Oh, Flipboard works. Can you believe this? Flipboard works on its own. So I don't even need to do anything. Flip. Take back. Flipboard chessboard flip. Yeah, this is the standard call from chessboardjs. It seems like. Okay. Okay. I just changed this IDs. It's probably be the very last thing to care about. So flipboard, take back, make move, new game. Okay. So new game, undo. Okay, I say make move, undo, make move. Okay, good. Here, undo, flip, I do the move, engine moves. Well, seems to be working. So I say new game, move. Okay, I move. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, so it seems to be working quite pretty nicely. Well, the very last thing to check is castling. So, well, let's first try this following way. So this should now castle. Okay, undo, and now let's flip the board and let's try to. Okay, undo. If I just okay, let's make the move. It will now be it will now be protecting this stuff. Unfortunately, I couldn't skip that. How to quickly test this? Okay, it's white to move. Hold on a sec. If this is white to move, then why I can't take this? Hold on a sec. What's going wrong? Oh, okay, guys. So it's very good that I actually revealed this now, because yeah, something going wrong. So user can't really. Okay. User can't promote. Something's going horribly wrong with the move validation for promoted pieces. I understand that I only have the queen only promotion. Okay, guys, sorry, just been a little bit distracted. So I just need to find a way. I just need to find a way to. Okay, check this stuff. So can I just say engine dot generate fen, right? So I just now want to grab this. It's a bit of a pain that I don't actually have a more specified information, but that doesn't matter. I'll provide them manually. Okay, so do I have print move list? Yes, I have print move list. Okay, so here so let's say, I think this should work. So let's say move from string and this one. So here we say user move. Okay. Okay, so let's try to say engine dot set board, and I'll now use this FEN and board dot FEN and the same. No, sorry, board dot position like this. Okay, so what the heck is that? Is this because of this? Oh, hold on a sec. No, hold on. It just move to string, obviously. What have I done? Move to string. Okay, so okay, undo. So where did the user move? Whoa, A8. But this is a legal move. Then why the engine does make a response? Oh, hold on a sec. Valid move. What am I doing? I need the valid move, not the legal move. I don't have the variable legal move. Engine set board position. Okay. F3 to G5. Okay, now this is good. And now this one. I didn't change anything. Why it works? Come on. Hold on a sec. Why it works? Oh man, how is that possible? So was that illegal or something? Okay, this is very confusing. So now it works. Well, at very least the promotion kind of works. So I'm really confused by this. Okay, so let's try to play a few moves. Yeah, just try to lose this as soon as possible. So yeah, you just make the pawns just go forwards with the pawns. Okay, go with the pawns. Okay, so undo and move. Okay, and move. If I move the king away, and it will capture. Well, it's definitely black to move. Black to move. Okay, let's say black moves here. Okay, undo. No, yeah, it's cool. Or hold on a sec. Here, undo. Here. Okay, and now I really want to try to make a custom move. Undo. And this is a bit confusing, so what's going wrong here? So let's say here I have this user move of knight from c3 goes to a4. Okay, undo. But why I can't go here? So you see, like it. Well, this shouldn't be happening during the game, really. Oh, hold on a sec. It's probably the first return. So it doesn't even treat the move to be pseudo-legal, so it drops here. Okay. Let's start it from scratch. Okay. Okay. White, please move the pawns. Okay, move the pawns. Okay, so undo. Go in here. 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 Oh. Undo. Okay, do. Okay, go in here. Okay, so let me do this on my own. Okay. Yeah, better not. Okay. So move. Go in here. Undo. Okay, and now I should be able to make a move. Okay, so F2 to F3 is a load. Okay. But why this is not a load? This is so weird. So any other move? Oh, hold on a sec. It's just black to move. So I can make another moves, right? But why can't I take this one? Is this a bug of chessboardjs? This is so strange. Okay, hold on a sec. I just want to print engine print board. So white to move. Okay, engine dot. Hold on a sec. So as far as it prints, move 8 A8 A8. It means valid move of the source target and promoted. Okay, so I would also like to have the source and the target. Okay, can I just... can I execute this line here? Is this the value of promoted piece? Are you kidding me? Why promoted piece is 131? Undo. Okay, let's have a look at the promoted piece. Okay, so something is going horribly wrong with the promoted piece. Okay, this is so strange, but what can go wrong with a promoted piece? So the logic seems to be really straightforward here. Well, definitely the promoted piece to strain return some crap. That's definitely true, but something is going horribly wrong with the promoted piece. Promoted piece equals to 5. Okay. Is this getting... Why is this getting bigger? It's getting bigger if I undo and redo again. Yeah, it seems like, okay. This is interesting. What if I just create this every time from scratch and say queen promotion only for now. So yeah, I don't really need this. Is game over. So just get rid of this. Still just doesn't allow to move pieces when it's mate. So it's kind of like to do. For those of you who would like to try luck with this sort of a stuff. Okay, yeah, so promoted piece behaves very strangely So let's just print this promoted piece. Okay, so now I really hope 5 undo. What? His game over is not defined. Where? Call it somewhere else. This game over. Take back. Why do we need to update the status here? I think we don't. Okay. Sorry guys, just I'm almost done here. Okay. So just want to make sure. Okay, we got 11. Undo. Make move. We got a 5. Yeah, now this should be undo. Now this should be fine, I hope. Yes. Okay. Okay. And undo, and I want to make it on my own. Okay, fine, fantastic. So yeah, now we do have the stuff here. Okay, let's say it does nothing here, and nope. Check. It's not going to be a mate. Oh, okay. So it seems like it's working really. This bare minimum setup seems to be working. So yeah, let's have a look. Yeah. So it seems like the bare minimum concept integration is working. Yeah, so it doesn't load and make this illegal move, which is good. Okay, takes the pawn. Okay, so yeah, it seems like it's really working. Okay guys, so yeah, this is it from my side. I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial on how to integrate WukongJS and ChessboardJS libraries together. So I don't know whether it makes sense for you. Well, probably. I don't know really. But to be honest, I'm really more like engaged with Chinese chess programming, so CNC engine. That's what I'm working on now. So I have this play online, view games, puzzle solver apps. Also I have the interactive diagrams. So just to showcase you a little bit what am I up with at the moment. So based on my WukongJS, I made this beautiful interface. I've created this UI on my own to play Chinese chess, to view the games of Chinese chess played by masters, to solve puzzles like mate in one, like in this case for Chinese chess. And also I have this embedded diagrams of derived from this apps, and eventually I've created the interactive diagrams so they could be embedded into third-party sites. And in particular, I was doing this for CNCinEnglish.com, maintained by Fanhao Jian, and he has already embedded my apps into his site. Let's say here on the main page, you can play CNC. You can choose the opponent, change the board theme, pieces, really lots of interesting things to consider here. And my current project I'm currently working on, I'm integrating this Wukong CNC engine with the GUI in CNC.com. Well, not with my own hands, but I'm giving some consultations to the team that is working on CNC.com. So it has really cute GUI here. If we just have some game to have a look at. This might be, yeah, So this is how it looks like. So this GUI would be integrated with my CNC engine, hopefully. Okay guys, so this is it from my side. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial. This link to the source code would be down below the video. So I think this bare minimum concept would be already enough to start how to start to play around with this stuff on your own. So I hope this really makes sense to you. So this is it from my side. Code Makiki and what with you guys. I wish you all the best. Until the next time, and take care.